Hello everyone, it's Wendy. I've got something a bit different today. I'm going to do an unboxing or opening of the parcel. I was contacted through email by Artcreatlove a couple of weeks ago, and they just wanted to know if I would like to do a bit of collaboration with them. So they let me pick out two things. Oh, they were so lovely. So this is Artcreatlove, and the majority of their stuff is paint by numbers, which I thought, oh, how cool is that? Remember the paint by numbers when you were a kid? Well, I had a look on their website and their paint by numbers are just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, now don't worry about, it comes packaged like this. It is not packaged for prettiness or anything like that. It's actually packaged for protection, okay? So we've got that, and then we have this here, and oh, and all these lovely little paints. What else have we got? Oh, we've got something else in there, hang on. Oh, that's the image. Okay, now the paint by numbers, I actually chose this one. Now, how cool does that look? I just love that image. Very like retro styled, but how cool is that? So with your paint by numbers, you get your image of what it looks like, and you also get some little paint brushes. Okay. Oh, and you got some little screws and that in here too to hang it up with when you're finished. Okay, so we've got some paint brushes, plus you get a couple of little hangers for it as well. Okay, just put them there so I don't lose them. And you've got 3 different size brushes, and they feel really nice. Okay, and then you have, oh look, then you have your little paints, and they come in their own little containers. Oh, that's a cool idea, isn't it? And they just sit in this little, this is like a really durable plasticky thing. So you've got all the numbers there of the paints. Okay, let's open up this, because this, I'll just move this other one out of the road, because like I said, I was allowed to, they allowed me to choose 2 things, which I think, oh, lovely. So this is the, it comes on a canvas, that's good, and this is the actual canvas. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, and those numbers are so, I can even see those without my glasses on. They're nice and big, the numbers. So here's the canvas, and the canvas is rolled up in a bit of styrofoam. But oh my gosh, that is just awesome. I'm so excited to try this, guys. I really am. I used to love the paint by numbers when I was younger, but it was just, you'd get, my mum used to get me the book with the paint by numbers, and you just use the brush with the water, and the paint would actually, you know, the water would colour it. So it wasn't actually paint by numbers, but yes, that is so cool. I took the lid off that by accident. So this is Artcreatlove, and it's Oh wow, and that's the canvas, and it feels really, really nice. Nice quality canvas. And I'm so excited to do this. So that was the first thing that they let me get. And I will come on and show you my progress painting this canvas. I wouldn't say little. I will come on and show you my progress with this paint by numbers. So where'd my picture go? So when it's finished, hopefully it will look like that. Which I think it will, because a lot of these colours are nice bright colours. Oh, how cool is that? I'm so excited. You got no idea. And I have got a nice piece of wood that I can actually, you know, pin that onto when I'm painting it. It is so big, guys. But yes, that's the paint by numbers I got. And the other thing that they allowed me to get, I just want to put this somewhere up here. I'm just going to gently roll that back up. Okay, so paint by numbers. And the other thing that they so generously let me get were their set of 16 silhouette stencils. Oh, you know how I love a good silhouette, don't you? So I am going to I've got some brown paper here that hopefully, if I put that down there, these are their stencils, and it is a very nice sturdy plastic. So I've got this one here. You can see that okay? Yep. A little bit of glare, but that's okay. Oh look, mermaid, seahorse, some dolphins. Hang on, we'll turn it around the right way. Okay, that's the right way. And I only knew that because those letters were back to front. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? So there's that one in the set. And then this one. I really do not have enough room here, do I? We've got some pine trees. This would be a nice winter one. What's that called, guys? Antelope. No, reindeer. A deer. Something like that. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? I like the trees there. So there's that. And like I said, with these stencils, there was 16 in the set. So what I was thinking, you could even like mix and match some of the shapes, couldn't you? So we've got the flamingos here with some palm trees. That one needs to be popped out a little bit more. There we go. Some birds and the sun, some grass. And then we have this one. Some more dolphins. I love dolphins. So with these, I was thinking of doing up, just painting the backgrounds and then putting the silhouettes on. Oh, look at this. Got a family playing ball here. The trees. That's, oh, I like that one. So these will be fun to have. Oh, a Christmas one. And we've got Christmas coming up. That would be nice with a Merry Christmas. That would be a nice canvas to do for a Christmas decoration. That's lovely. Got Santa and the reindeers. Oh, and this one here. I like this one. This is like the sand dunes with the camels, the riders on the camels, and some birds in the sky. And this one, so this would be more of, I've got the giraffes, two really nice trees, and the sun. Oh, I'm looking forward to having a play with these too. And the plastic seems, oops, I got one stuck here, hang on guys. There we go. Alright, we've got this one. We've got a little boy and a baby, some birds and trees. And these are just wonderful, I like these. And then this one, a couple of elephants and the birds. Oh, this is I'm going to have so much fun. So much fun. And then this one here, some more deers, some hills and trees. So the idea with this one, I'm thinking of, you do a lovely plain background, and then you put your stencil on here, and you go and you can use mainly black. I like to do black with my silhouettes. So, and this one here's a snowman scene. But that would be so lovely with a lovely painted background. Oh, look at this one. That is nice. A deer drinking by the water. The pond, maybe. Okay. And, oh, lovely. I'll just get that off. Some kids and a little one on a swing, on a tree swing. And then this one here, this would be like a starry night. There's a little star there. And the little girl. And that's back to front, that's the right way. I wonder how many other ones because it's got the number up here. So it says YH14. So that must be number 14 out of the set. Okay, and then we have this one as well. Another like African. Oh, look, that would be, that the bottom here would be the reflection from the water. Oh, lovely. Okay, so that is the set of 16 stencils. I need to pick them up one at a time, guys, to put back. Now, when I was looking on their website, these are very reasonably priced, as are their canvases, their paint by number canvases. I was really quite surprised, and it only took 10 days for me to receive this, to receive the parcel, so that is really good by post. Okay, and they have so generously given me a discount code that you can use, which is Wendy10, Wendy10, and all the information will be down in my description box, guys. But oh wow, and I will come back on and show you how I'll use these, because especially with Christmas coming up, I'm going to make a few little art decor things for the kids this year for Christmas, and that's what I was thinking with these, with the silhouettes. So you get 16 silhouettes in their set, and like I said before, you could even like just grab the pine trees from here, the coconut trees from here, and put something else with it, but you can definitely use it as is. Okay, so that's it, guys. They're the that's the set of silhouettes that they sent me, and this gorgeous canvas. Yay! I'm very excited. You need to have a look on their site, because they have got some absolutely gorgeous paint by numbers. So if you're not confident in, you know, doing your painting on your own, go pop over, have a look at their online store, and these paint, like, the numbers are so clear. That looks like very good quality. Very good. And it's a nice thickness of canvas too. So you need to have a look for yourself, because oh my goodness, they have got some absolutely gorgeous paint by numbers there. Okay, so that's it, everyone. All the information, I'll have some links down in my description, as well as the discount code. You just use Wendy 10 at discount, and it doesn't take very long at all for you to receive them by post, especially here in Australia. Okay, I honestly thought that I would have to wait like 5 or 6 weeks. 10 days. 10 days, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty good going. Okay, I just want to see how easy it is to open up one of those paints. So, okay, one pushes up, one pushes down. Oh, there we go. That wasn't hard at all. Okay. Nice. Okay, so it's not hard to open up those paints. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so thank you so very much, Artcreatlove, and thanks everyone for watching the video and having a look at this unboxing for them. And I will come back on and show you my progress and how I'm going to use some stencils. Okay, so look out for those videos that come up. Alright, thanks everyone. You all have a great day, and I will catch you later. Bye bye, guys.